Hey, welcome everybody.
Hey, it's time for the Christmas Ornament Challenge, and but I thought it was COVID. Oh, wow, let's get rid of that. Alan Stratton from woodturning. Matt?
Hey, Matt Dighton. I run the Woodturners Worldwide. So that's the Instagram page and the online symposium. So I actually just finished the Woodturners Worldwide online symposium. We had about 1,200 attendees come. We had 45 demonstrations from over 30 demonstrators from around the world. Over 50 networking events and over 30 different mini demos. It was just a huge event over 5 days. It was a ton of fun. I'll tell you what, that ended a couple days ago. I'm already bored. Let's do
the challenge.
Let's do the challenge.
Okay,
That's
all
what I'm saying.
right. Okay, so what do we do on the Christmas Ornament Challenge? It is any craft.
Any craft, any tools, any materials.
Anybody can participate. Christmas ornament, Hanukkah ornament, seasonal ornament. Good. This is number 9, by the way. What you'll do is you'll make your ornament, however you want it. If you can call it an ornament, you can submit it. So then take a picture. If you really feel compelled that you need multiple pictures, compose it into one. Just make sure that it illustrates it well. You'll send that in. You'll tell us about it and your information on the website. And also, new this year, tell us if you are affiliated with a club and what club that is, and we're going to award the top clubs a interactive remote demonstration at no charge. And then show it to us, and then use it for good. Use it, pay it forward sort of thing, pass it on, do some good with your ornament. And then it's off and running. We'll actually publish it in a video. We'll have people trying to evaluate it and judge it. I think this year we'll do a host's pick.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And or
ornamentchallenge.com. Yeah, so go ahead. And,
that's a new one.
So go ahead and submit it to ornamentchallenge.com. But also go on to Instagram, go on to Facebook, and share it. Share your ornament. #ornamentchallenge. And let people know about it. I mean, this is a fun thing.
And pay it forward if we can.
Yeah. Just try to make someone else's season a little bit better. So
yes. There's plenty of people down in the dumps with the COVID stuff. Do something to bring them up.
Yeah. And this isn't just Christmas, right? This could be anything. And it doesn't have to be a hanging ornament.
No.
It could be one that stands up. It could be one that sits there on the table.
Can you call it an ornament?
Sure, yeah. If you can call it an ornament, go for it.
Go for it.
Right? And like you said before, it can be any medium. So it could be a bandsaw, could be
scroll saw, could be craft yarn, wire. I can't name them all, but it's still a lot of fun. Okay, let's make some ornaments. Let's have some fun with this ornament and pay it forward.